Hi guys, I am going to make a fan today. So first let's see how this fan works. Let's turn on the fan. And you'll see, let's put it little medium. Whoa! Rotate so fast. And let's off the fan. Can you see, guys? And let's off the fan. Okay, now let's make the fan. I'm giving this aside, and we need a earbud for this, scissor, and a piece of paper. So we have a A4 sheet and earbud that's cut in the end, and we need a scissor around it. So let's do it. Let's first bend it like this. Correctly, the point should come correctly. Slowly do it, or else it might get wrong. Okay, let's do it so hard. Okay, it became flat. So let's just fold it like this. You can even use this method, or you can just cut it by the scissor. So I'm using this method. I'm first folding it that side and then this side. So it got bended. So let's tear it. Let's tear it like this. Okay, we got a square sheet. Just let's cut the edges so that it looks clean. We keep it aside, and now we are going to open it. You get a nice square sheet, right? Just rub on it for a while until it gets flat, nice and flat, and then do the other time like this. Opposite side like this, nicely. And that's finished. You'll get a kind of X here, and let's cut that. Just cut it till half, or if you cut it so much, it might get little hard to make the hole in the center. Please don't cut it so much. I just cut a bit so that it'll be easier for you guys to do this. Let's cut it slowly. Okay, that's finished. Now see, we got an X, right? So first we are going to take the first part and make a hole. Okay, that's finished. Then the next part. Slowly. Aha. Okay, then the next one. Slowly. That's finished. Then the next one. the hole size should be equal to everyone. So don't cut it for the two sides. Only it should be continuous with one side. And see, first you do it, see if it's right or left. If you get the right one here, make a hole there, and the next one just like that. And don't make so much holes, or else it might get bended and it might just just tear off. So first we make a hole in the center. Point it at the center correctly and slowly lift it up. Keep 2 fingers under it, but please don't keep it just straight as where you are cutting. So let's first take this one, and let's take this bud, just insert it this way, and then you take another one, you take another one, and just insert it just like that, like this, and then the next one like this. So the next one, take the next one, let's bend it properly, and a small mistake, let's fix it. Let's put this in the front and just a little more. Aha! No, we have to just connect it to this hole. Haha! We finished it. And please subscribe, share and like. And let's run time. Okay, everybody, keep your plane wings ready, okay? Let's go for a ride. All the passengers aboard? Okay, let's go. Whoa! Whoa, this looks crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Let's clash. Wow, we clashed them. Let's run. Let's show them both to the fan and see how does it work. Let's on. Just a bit. Wow, looks hilarious. Whoa. Wow. Clap both of them together for a while. Just let's keep it more speed. And here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. This doesn't matter. Let's run and see. Let's off the fan. Or let's see like a disc. Let's keep it like a disc. Wow. Rotates when it's like a disc. And let's off the fan here. So let's just flash that. Oh yeah. Bye bye. So afterwards, let's do one thing. Everybody, you can do one thing. You can take 4 sheets and make many of them like this and put them 2 on your head and 2 on your hands. Then just run away. It will just make you fly. Bye bye.